Prabu and the big Yan Rabinaka.
Right.
All the
Yeah.
friends and fans, families,
Right.
Fiji and abroad.
People tuning in, man, they want to talk to on the radio.
Okay, who's?
All the people around, the globe.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right. Good
Thank
morning
you.
to everyone.
Yeah.
Bayang rutukan bikin itu saran to betul kumayan mataka dia vaka dami sing ni kuap.
Yeah.
Bayang rutukan bikin ini sama tumayan live stream. Sa buru-buru ta mga.
Yeah.
And non the buru-buru le mo ni to betul bikin pa mo talaga bikin ini sama tumayan YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Ni VTFM mo ni sa sara ti kumay. And mataka vinaka ni kuap.
When
I
I see
have one vakatutu.
come.
Who's?
Your name should be global.
Global ko rin na matinitin na.
No, the mataka is globe.
Okay. Yan dilew.
Your name is to be Global Wasa.
Global was na sere-sere. Hey, yan naman to everybody tuning this morning, even though it's the weather it's favorable enough
Right?
to be a Thanksgiving.
Okay.
Hotness yesterday, some
Yeah.
people are
Tama
talking,
man,
we are
Dems.
talking about the hotness of the day.
Yeah.
Of course.
Some people are blame water pollution coming for.
Yeah. Where's the
Ozone-
pollution coming from? Where?
Yeah. The ozone layer is being interrupted.
All right.
Right.
That's what the science they're giving us.
Yeah.
But we are thankful. People are telling now, plant more trees
Right.
for oxygen.
All right.
If you are planning to cut a tree, think twice.
Right.
Tuko naman tawir ng kaseta kibiro tutumbumbu ira sinikilan na ozone layer. Pag madal taka mata care please.
Yeah.
Ozone layer is a layer that's between the sun and the earth.
Oi.
Okay.
They're there to cover us, to control
Right.
everything.
That is
But-
the same as what Michael Irando, rest in peace, Tai, told you. Where is
Boiling point.
Boiling Point?
Boiling point is between the earth and the sun.
So same, eh?
No, this one is different.
But you can see the ozone layer.
Ozone layer.
Right,
Okay.
So, how will ozone layer being affected by human beings?
Okay.
Gori.
That's a question.
Yeah.
But the answer is this. People are
Yeah.
trying their very best to do such technology
All right.
Yeah.
to create something new,
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
to build house,
All right.
to move a vehicle,
All right.
Yeah.
to
Harvest the rain.
have a
Kata ka tumay Dubai, ko lubukin ang donongona.
yeah,
Sir tuwa na oilo malagi sa ngayon mili harvest tak mirin tuno.
All right.
yeah,
Yeah.
that's greedy.
Huh?
So this one
Yeah.
is there in the middle. If the ozone layer is being
Evaporation.
Presiden ko na way tui.
Yeah.
Sa kambasyo na ozone layer,
Yeah.
we can feel the hotness of the sun into us. That's from the science.
Okay. You can
But
go
anyway.
and patch it.
Yeah.
If it's disrupted,
Yeah.
or is it like there's a hole there, you can go and patch it.
Patch
Yeah.
is a word. If a rocket is a word, it's a patch. Rocket can be a patcher.
Yeah.
So, ozone layer is there. That's what we learn, eh?
Yeah,
But
push up,
we
push
don't know who being there to
Right.
watch this thing.
His.
Yeah.
But we are thanks enough
Yeah.
to the book that we read.
Right.
One day,
Yeah.
this will be gone.
Okay.
We will be gone.
Yeah.
Right.
Eh? So be prepared of everything.
Right.
If a child is born, will cry.
Yeah.
It symbolize
Yeah.
how tough the world is.
Right.
Bisinan na naman eh, sa tangi.
Hindi na sara.
Tangi nga bang go, sa bakilato ko na buro-burong go, na kena kokwa, na kena bura-bura.
Yeah.
Nisudumay.
Tina sar.
Yes.
Ya sara men.
Yeah. What the mula na?
Dems, so tarungi ko man. What is the na non the collarbone?
Yeah.
What's the purpose of the collarbone?
Collarbone is for... Ibi na collarbone. Tarong. Okay. Collarbone is for lifting.
Okay.
Nabay baka po ito si Taki.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Horse collarbone.
Yeah.
Yan, nabay baka po ito si Taki. Collarbone is a very...
Collarbone, you can use it for firewood.
Okay, na spine. Eh?
Doon na mata may tekebo, may mataan raw.
Spine.
Awa mo tarong abi na spine.
Wala na mo situ.
Spine is a major one.
Right.
Because he withstand a man
Yeah.
from stand.
Right.
Kaya bebo kena no musito bebo kena no munduri pa doon.
All right.
Right.
When there is no
Spine.
spine, there will be a mistake in your body. You're not able to stand alone. You're not able to withstand.
Yeah.
And you're not able to stand up.
Okay, in memory of Outs Mama,
Yeah.
and matang di kuha, kita may takam singango, wiki minano kay kita may taman singango na nora programo, na weka
Nini
na
mga
may
Andre?
na Navy Shield may tamole,
Right.
and Newtown.
Yeah.
Okay, Demesi, can you explain to us this morning?
Right.
May kayo ko kila na body parts.
Right, right. Very good, it's very good.
Yeah, what are some body parts that doesn't have
Yeah.
bones?
Tuno kaya berarti you know the body parts. Ya, bola ko minapuro ni massage. One silo-silo.
Please, take us through the
Turo the moment.
body anatomy,
Iya.
anatomy,
Yeah.
anatomy.
Yeah.
Yeah. And explain to us
Yeah.
what body parts don't have bones.
Don't have bones, like.
Yeah.
The iya.
Right one.
The iya is abuna.
Okay.
Huh?
Okay, sige basui.
Yeah.
The ear.
Yeah.
The nose.
Explain the job.
Yeah.
Their job is for breather, the nose.
Okay.
For breather. The hearing
Okay.
is for hear.
Okay.
If you hear,
Yeah.
you see the ear does not have a bone.
Right. Yeah.
Okay. Dara ka ngandre mo bare
Iko
ta.
raba.
Yeah.
Dara ka mo wande ta berde ni bonu ami tukun bi. Ni bosa ta usapa ka tukun juga ni.
Yeah.
Pamatal ta chiko na udu patake nan talinga.
Onalay mo
Nakaya dongo.
Yeah.
Ni ko ito madchiko.
Okay,
Oh, this one is sickness.
Right.
Okoya vengo in talingana.
Yeah. Ngono go.
Ngono go.
Ito yung indalingan na anduna.
E bororong e uduna.
Yeah.
Please explain why.
Yeah.
Okay. Every 5 cents, each man in this world have a 5 cents.
Which one?
Nose
Yeah.
for breathing.
Okay.
Ear
Yeah.
for hearing.
And?
Tongue
Yeah.
for tonguing.
Yeah.
Atau tele kosa tele na lima.
Touch.
Touch for
Touch.
sensing.
Yeah.
Right.
No, uli ka nose,
Yeah.
Yeah.
hear,
Breathing. Yeah.
tongue,
Tongue.
touch. Buwan dua. Na-test lagi ka London.
Gori.
May London Primary. Sa buwan dua. Kung pa sa mabalawa.
Smell.
Feel.
Feeling.
Yeah.
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 Touch that one.
What touch, eh?
Yeah. So,
Yeah.
anybody
Right.
in this world,
Right.
we need to work together.
Right.
Yeah.
That's why sometimes
Yeah.
when we are playing rugby,
Yeah.
we have a
Resume.
reserve.
Right.
When we have a reserve,
Yeah.
sometimes when the ear does not want to work,
Yeah.
Yeah.
we use our nose.
Oi.
Yeah.
How will you use your nose to do the ear's job?
Because nose has a hole. Ear has a hole.
Yeah.
When you put something in the ear,
Yeah.
you can nose. Malindo tarong ko tumikin na tarong ko. Who does that? This proper hole.
You can use the nose
Yeah.
to exchange, like to use the nose. to-
Manipulate.
Yeah.
Gurung. Baka malala. Na baby na baka malala ko.
See, because the thing is, Mika,
Yeah.
last night during the
Grog session.
grog section in Tamale,
Yeah, ito mali.
he used his 5 senses.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Kaya sambimbi kino ko apa napuno kimam chikin na turanga,
Iyo.
na tangane,
Iyo.
salay chukubir na marambo tikir ng kanila.
Okay, explain. Why did you go there?
Why did you go there, Demeshi? While your friends,
Yeah.
your workmates are there with you.
Right.
Why?
Because
Iyo.
there's no feeling. The feeling of sensing is not there.
You feeling there?
I want to feel her.
But Collie was there.
Kung is not a
Yeah,
feeler.
he feeling with Collie.
No feeling because the balance is not there. Tori katinay lasero sembulu saya.
Yeah.
But we are going to I want to say good morning to Tau from Lamikoro.
Right.
They was there to who's Mba
Mameli.
Meli
Right.
and Ortono to Talilayo.
Yeah, Talele ni Achmama.
Pinawali usara
Right.
nabi kawitaki na
Yeah.
lolo maliw.
What
Amelia Ember
feeling,
basang.
what feeling you have when you drink? I think when Tutua passed away,
Yeah.
he gave you
The
this
power.
talent,
The power.
the power.
Iyo. There's only two meaning for grogging.
Iyo.
Ando boleh binana bekat tau mai kuku.
Yeah.
Joining this morning. Very thank you very much for
Right.
the Bikawitaki last night.
Yeah.
Artuna Bonwe Voskino tamai Deborango.
Right.
Thank you very much for your love. For what's there?
They were surrounding you last night.
And also to all the TikTokers.
Right.
Yeah.
They coming to yesterday.
Right.
To SK Elijah Scopen King.
Ano binakasan?
Binabali usar na weka, binabali usar siya mabulimay.
Yeah.
And also to everybody.
Yeah.
Right.
Yesterday.
Iya, mai, ha?
The talent is Tutua gave him.
Iya.
If you look back on Michael Rendo's funeral,
Iya.
Nindo mino na talent dito na
from
pauta.
us all the staff here,
Yeah.
the first person to reach the hospital is Demis.
Iya,
Yes,
di nasar.
Trus.
Eh?
Di nasar.
Trus.
Because of the brothers born.
Blood.
Yeah.
Blood.
So the blood.
Yeah.
I think that's where the talent has been poured out to you.
The talent was being postponed. We drinking grog.
Yeah.
Was there and they was calling. But you know what?
Yeah. Why?
It's good to go to drink with the ladies.
Why? Now you know because
It's very
when Michael
tasty.
Rendo always say that you always against him.
Sambombo. It's very tasty.
Yeah.
Very sweet.
Oh, sabi tu kun kang gimana tu? Ada musa tu kun mandang ha?
Tunggu na, Mai.
Mai.
Balik si Kongo.
Mai,
Baka
tunggu na, Mai.
mantuan si no ito po.
Tunggu na, Mai.
Really a shameful.
Awa, may
Okay.
off na Mike.
Eh?
Mai.
Yeah.
O te me ngoli tu mele.
Mela ba?
Mele baka ding me.
Iyo.
Okay, me su kami suswa.
Yeah.
Kay bukital tu me botun lo di.
Kamu ke patun lo me muri ko na itamba. Meron motivity.
Sarota be 500 for the tolo to follow.
Na level na na baka fancy ya.
Iya, iya.
Mela ko mele susu itu ba.
Iya.
Kay bukital tu me botun lo.
Kasunan dali. Binabala mo punja celebrating 90 years. Ano ni binakara mo ni Sobo ni pasukan kay lebe tamay Deborah ni Kuwa.
Di nasar, di nasar.
Sabuti na mga
Sa
ni mata bubale.
Right.
dono.
Bubale ba kan daw ba rongo.
Di nasar.
Bubale ba ka daw kadi ba kira baliwalesi.
Iya.
Bubale ni tamay Deborah mo ni pasukina.
Di na, di
Puro
na.
ba turang na ilang may imba, may
Iya.
kumbaw tay lewu.
Iya.
Don buli na talaga nabe kan di bubale daw siya matabuli man gor may.
Matang ni ko ang gasar nga ni matago ni already non tuito kano samun lagi tangil lang lang juga sinikisi. Gasar nga ni matago ni matago ni ko.
Nabale kami na sarsar chumai and VDFM Facebook page and matang kuah ba bulutiani be ana naingima be isele di watirakula lusi mbulabenaka benabale besar kalau ngata sigana budi bitokani and mataka benaka and indai ba bulutani be kami na sarsar tumai and be sai buru-buru tale so matatimingo ni otikan bengkara bena dio na kaloko sana ngole tiga ni ngole and tiku ni Navy Seal main Tamale Street main New Town and buku ni kiana laki ngarabi bang do kiana ni wati di bengarabi be tamay Debor and na boga sukan gele and singa bina ni ko lebo kimi na sar cuba na matarong abi na kaloko na ba dor tiga ni tini na kaloko na lotu and ba lotu di kor main New Town and ba lotu ni Saint Mark
Iya.
mai voluto di rotu Anglican na lamani korro mai Newtown na luto te kina na turang go ouchba mani mbera ni like pakoturi bondo na ngona kina non ranggara katundu na bambolo tani bikem ni kasara ki na numa dono mo ngalalo ngan reba mon mai mo te telenga bi ouchma mani ko ke singa mata timingo ni suka ngana diwa sana ngole sarangaya ni bondo donu kiri tiku ni Navy Seal mana Tamale Street
Do ba mo kuti atui tamole?
Ini ori.
O jumatay.
Tabalengu isa bulu benaka tabalengu bomboy liku.
Esa
Di tega no maru taka happy belated birthday bi ko tabalengu. May na puno ni bio bala bula. Do sara sumai.
right
Kita ngi ikut sigi bobola ke bikim ni na bi kai so me boliti tamay Debor. And na singa binang ni ko.
Sabi na wali usara. Kung ano yung binatun weekenda, na sini ko bisa na kaloko na tartu may resor biya libi yung bulo.
Chini
Sini kalau kata kina lot.
Iya.
Na bimbula na taka ngay na Newtown Cemetery.
iya
Iya. Bumbu sa arata kabo sigo na
Atarot.
dorbo na bali.
Mm.
Mendang itali di ko kina na sigo binang ni ko. Tamasutan na itu kinimbula men suli sigo na kenan raki.
Ndo na.
Meron din na tos sigo dalagi marutak celebrate Rocco's life. And puno na sama yung beauty kanta. Di na sana may beauty kanta. Iya menta lako bata tiuki ko har kera baka nanan. And bi ka musi dabi ngau na kamida. Dabi ngau na tali.
Iyo.
And ngungole dabi ndendre o ko bata ki kenda. And dabi ngau na sauti.
Amelia M. Verang pasangan dong bulu binaka tau. Panini binana bulu binang garabi cuta wa ningolo. Karinga
Ara na ko bi.
Karinga sambu tutunggo cita wa iningol. Dom pula bilang may nabua.
Hey.
Nabale busara. Nilitena pitan do bimbua. Itu ate muruka kerkere mingai mai Christchurch.
Ara benak.
Nabale busara.
Peke
Kita
na
begitu sama,
we kanta kita sana mai tataw ke na nomni like nomni share.
Doon mo lang.
Sa mo na Facebook page ni BTFM na buku ni lotu.
Maingilan jote tengah vindi.
Oh.
20
Yan
second.
ra benak. Go kurmundu.
Mika ngalong bulango.
Onde misi.